Hey guys, I'm Dr. Lindsay, a small animal veterinarian, and today we're going to check out some exotic animals today out on this cool farm in Florida. I hope you guys love this video. I'm gonna have my glasses on a lot because I can't see far, but right here we have a Egyptian fruit bat that are all huddled up here. They are so cute and they're making all these noises. All right, so to my right is a cage full of homing pigeons. These guys are so pretty. Look how white they are, they're beautiful. And these pigeons are used at weddings. So during a wedding ceremony, they release them and these pigeons are trained to fly right back home. All right guys, so now I'm here with Scout. She's a Brazilian tufted capuchin monkey. Look at her holding my hands. She's so cute. And she's one of the more social monkeys that's here. So she loves this attention. Her feet are so adorable.
This is the species that is trained for the quadriplegics. There's a program in Boston called Helping Hands, and after they're raised in a home for 5 years, give or take, they're put in a program and they literally learn to be a quad's hand.
Wow.
Open things, put a straw on, wipe a face, do everything they are unable to do.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So you guys should look into these monkeys and how they're used to help people who are quadriplegics. Oh my gosh, look at these baby goats. This is so cute. And her color is gonna be chocolate, which is so rare and it's adorable.
They fall out of the trees because they get too cold.
Oh my God.
So I gotta go on
No.
a roundup later.
All right, should I let them go?
I gotta go now.
All right guys, I hope you loved seeing all the animals in this video. I'm standing under a beautiful tree with these huge staghorn ferns that are gorgeous, and these beautiful fountains. This facility is amazing. Like always, hit that like button and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys back here for some more veterinary videos.